Let's practice the phonogram V as in Valentine. Start at the baseline and make a slender hump stroke. The connector goes into an uphill stroke, and we end with a tag connector. This is the phonogram V as in Valentine. Next, let's learn the diagonal stroke. For diagonal stroke, start at the baseline and make a straight line up and across to the midline. We'll use this diagonal stroke in the phonogram X. To write X, start at the baseline and make a hump stroke that fans out at the bottom and ends with a connector. Lift your pencil and add a diagonal stroke. When you use the phonogram X in a word, write all the letters of the word before you lift your pencil and then go back and from left to right in the direction that we read and write, add your diagonal stroke. Our next phonogram is Y, I. Start at the baseline and make a slender hump stroke, a connector, another short uphill stroke, then retrace back to the baseline and go into a backward basement loop stroke and end with a connector. This is a phonogram Y, I. When we write the phonogram, you say Y, I as you write each one of these. But when you use it in a word, only say the sound that it makes in that word. Our last phonogram of the single letter phonograms that we're going to learn to write is Z. To write Z, start at the baseline, make a hump stroke, stop, and then retrace upward slightly to make a half-size hump stroke. Continue down into a backward basement loop and end with a connector. This is the phonogram Z, and you are done.